function is to pay thanks to all, but first and foremost, since this is a conference of YUVA and YUVA IACians, I'll request the real YUVA IACians to please say something from your heart for 1 minute or so before I come to the formal announcements, right? So, Rohit Balyan, Sukriti, Neha, 1 minute each, please, go ahead. The organizing team which has been there in last 1 month with me throughout day and night. Ladies first, Sukriti, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. I take immense pleasure in concluding the first YUVA ISECON 2020. I'm thankful for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this conference. Over the last 2 years, I have learned a lot under the guidance of my teachers. It is a great pleasure to be a part of this conference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sukriti. Yes, Neha.
Sir, I'd like to say that I was very happy to be a part of the first YUVA ISECON. It was a very different experience for all of us. And so working under your guidance has been really, really encouraging and very acknowledging as well. And thank you all the judges for very informative sessions and very knowledge providing sessions, especially for young anesthesiologists like us. So looking forward to more such events and we'll definitely be a part of this. Thank you very much, sir.
Rohit.
Yes. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
So I would like to thank everyone, especially the YUVA ISECON team and the Society of Anesthesiology Haryana and IISc National. So it's been very motivating, and it's been, especially in these pandemic times, academic activities like this, they are very motivating, and I've been glued to my laptop today and watching all the academic activity. It's been a great experience, and I would like to thank all the judges and the delegates and the speakers for making all this possible. Thanks a lot, and thanks a lot to Dr. Naveen and Dr. Amit Kohli, and especially the coordinating team, our postgraduate residents who have been coordinating all these, especially Dr. Karthik, who was involved with me in all the organizing and conducting the sessions. Thank you, sir.
I'm seeing Neha is done. Okay, I think the rest of our team is working at back end, and I'll request Dr. Sethi to say a few words. And then I can go on with the formal announcements. Respected President, Dr. Muridhar Joshi, Editor-in-Chief, Dr. Lalit Mandiratta, President-elect Dr. Venkat Giri, and other dignitaries. It has been a wonderful experience in organizing this first YUVA ISECON 2020, the virtual national conference of YUVA ISA, a program of ISA which has been started 2 years ago only. And because of your support and blessings and good wishes, we were able to successfully do a virtual national conference. You have been seeing everything. There are certain announcements from my side that all the certificates of participation, whether in competitive category and non-competitive categories, and to the winners, participants and winners, shall be delivered electronically within a week's time to you. Initially, we had thought of that there will be 4 sessions, and we had thought of 3 prizes in each hall, but then subsequently we had increased it to motivate the YUVA. Initially, there were only 3 prizes for PG, 1 session, but that was made to 6 sessions, and now total of 18 prizes. Initially, there was 1 session of senior resident, 3 prizes. Now that has been increased to 4 sessions, 12 prizes. Initially, there were 3 prizes for faculty in the form of membership of Family Benevolent Fund. Since it has been 4 sessions to topper, we will get a Family Benevolent membership. And for the private practitioners also, there were 3 prizes which have been increased to 5 prizes. So we have tried to motivate and encourage all the ones. Also, I'll put on record before I announce the results, two special appreciation awards. One to Dr. Saurabh Nagada, who participated in this UI ISCon while being COVID positive. We did a recording of his talk on last Sunday, and he participated yesterday in spite of being COVID positive. So a special appreciation award, as designed by our President Dr. Muralidhar Joshi, is for him, that we salute his spirit. And the second one is to Dr. Arpit, who was a part of the organizing team and who was coordinating from his zeal and interest was that he was admitted, but he was still coordinating. And he coordinated one session even today also, in spite of being in hospital. So these are the special appreciation awards for these two, saluting their spirit of that the show must go on, and that shows their interest towards UI Sarkam. And buoyed by the success and the discussion with the seniors and President Sir, we plan to make it, we are motivated, as other past presidents are also saying, that we plan and we are getting motivated to make this Yuva ISACon a national event. It is a national event, to make it an annual national event under the banner of ISA. Under the banner of ISA, it will be an annual national event, especially focusing on our budding young anesthesiologists. Yes, in the cultural program, Yuva by heart will be able to perform, but academically, the presenters will be Yuva by age less than 40 years, and judges will be Yuva, will be seniors more than 40 years of age. And I must place on record appreciation of Yuva, but at the same time of seniors also, who have participated with full vigor, full enthusiasm. See, on Sunday evening, you are also chairing a session. I was surprised, okay, Dr. Mahesh Sinha will now stop, or Dr. Vijayendra will now stop, or Dr. Pankaj Gupta will now stop, 7:30 I was seeing the watch, but you are still interested in interacting with the youth. So that showcases the spirit of anesthesiologists, that showcases the spirit of Indian Society of Anesthesiologists, and that spirit goes on to the UISA. UISA is a baby, and they are our own young anesthesiologists, and it is our moral responsibility to promote them, to safeguard their interest, and to accomplish them their vision and their targets. And so we will make it an annual national event under the banner of ISA. With the permission of President Sir, I like to declare the results of the competitions which have occurred yesterday, and the results of the competitions which have occurred today, the judges are compiling and sending one by one. So they will be put on the website by tomorrow evening or latest by tomorrow night on ISA web.in. They will put in the flash news also and under the Yuva ISA tab also. Before I declare the results, I request our President Sir to please bless us. Dr. Muralidhar Joshi, who is always keen on supporting all the initiatives which are in the larger interest of ISA and the ISCs. Dr. Muralidhar Joshi, sir.
Good evening, everyone. One problem to see everybody still around this Sunday evening, 7:30, 7:45. People expect the weekend period, and almost everybody is around. It's a good thing. And thanks for participating in such large numbers, close to 20,000 plus. That's what our Secretary Naveen was expressing. It's not a small number. Yes, we had some technical glitches. Let me say, accept that we had a technical problem. But whenever you take up any task and all this, every challenge comes as an opportunity. I don't know if that probably, if you were not to have COVID-19, we would have thought of Yuva ISACon like this. We had formed Yuva ISA about a couple of years back because we thought it's a good idea. But Yuva ISACon, we are thinking of doing a national maybe conference, maybe we can have even hall and all. But now this whole event is even it's a big barrier Naveen has created, less than 40, above 40. It looks like a cricket team, alternative World Cup. So, but it's fun. So, but only one message we would like to give from the ISA National is thanks to Haryana State ISA and especially special thanks to the President Dr. Sethi and the Honorable Secretary Dr. Arya for accepting this whatever challenge and also things where we thought of ASSCME ended up as a UA Hackathon. And as our Honorary Secretary rightly expressed, we are trying to make it as an annual event. And that's the one way to go about it, so that at least young talent we can at least we can mind them out, and they want to be heard at a national platform. Every time we may not be able to do. Maybe we have a council meeting sometime next week. Probably we might discuss and explore what new ways we can include the youngsters in activities and all, because they are the future. Yeah, without them we can't move. We are there, but they are the future, and we have to grow them. We have to give opportunity so that they can perform well. I know all of you are eagerly waiting for the results and all. I don't want to take too much of time, but thanks to the Chairman Academic Dr. Balabhaskar, Vice President Dr. Suresh Bhargava, President of Venkat Giri, of course Non-Secretary Naveen and Organizer Dinesh Sharma, and all my governing council members and Haryana state members and all my past president, past council members for wholehearted support for spending quality time last 2 days. Thank you one and all, and I request Dr. Naveen to do the needful. Long live ISA, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The results which have been received, I declare from session 1, Hall A. The first prize goes to Dr. Manika Goyal. Second prize goes to Dr. Rafia Khan. And third prize joint winners are Dr. Shruti Kumari and Dr. Praveen KP. There was a tie, so we will be giving it to both of them.
Naveen, which session? Hall A, which session?
Hall A, session 1, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
Hall A, session 1, I'll repeat. First prize, Dr. Manika Goyal. Second prize, Dr. Rafia Khan. Third prize is shared between Dr. Shruti Kumari and Praveen KP. Moving on to session 2, Hall A. First prize goes to Tanya Mittal. Second prize goes to Dr. Umu Abiba. And third prize goes to Satish Kumar. I repeat, Hall A, session 2. First prize to Dr. Tanya Mittal. Second prize to Dr. Umu Habiba, and third prize to Dr. Satish Kumar. Session 3, this is Hall A. First prize goes to Dr. Kirti Jain. Second prize goes to Dr. Abhishek Chakma, and third prize goes to Dr. Aditya Devala. Hall A, session 3, Kirti Jain, first prize, Aditya Devala, third prize, second prize is Abhishek Chakma. Hall B, session 4. First prize goes to Dr. Lohit Kumar. Second prize goes to Dr. S. Varghese. And third prize goes to Dr. M. Saxena. It is Madhvi Saxena. And I repeat, Hall A, session 4. First prize goes to Dr. Lohit Kumar. Second prize goes to Dr. S. Varghese. And third prize goes to Dr. M. Saxena. Hall B, session 5. First prize goes to Dr. Rosie Jacob. Second prize goes to Dr. Avni Thakkar. And third prize goes to Dr. Yuvraj S. I repeat, Hall B, session 5. First prize Rosie Jacob. Second prize Dr. Avni Thakkar. Third prize Yuvraj S. And to session 6 of Hall B, first prize goes to Dr. Anil Susan Abraham. Second prize goes to Archana KP. And third prize goes to Mugdha Patwardhan. I repeat, first prize goes to NF Susan Abraham. Second prize to Archana KP. And third prize to Mugdha Patwardhan. The results of session 6 to 16, which were held today for senior residents, consultants and private practitioners, will be compiled in another 24 hours or so, because the results are pouring in, and they will be announced cumulatively tomorrow on www.isa.in, and they will be also put in the respective WhatsApp groups of the sessions also. Before I have to go further, I will invite Dr. Lalit Mendiratta sir, Editor-in-Chief, Indian Journal of IJ, to please say a few words.
If you are coming just once again on time, we congratulate all the winners, but also we would like to say all the participant delegates and all, as only the team of judges and the chairperson have been expressing, It's not nothing a win or lose and all those things. It's about participation which is most important. That's the Olympic spirit. So let's not forget. And we have seen you performing and all. Probably every state how if you witness all the candidates, definitely they'll be like logging on. Okay, these two people could our future faculty. Every state and city, the message is going very loud and clear. If they are your future faculty, nurture them. That's the way to go forward. Over to you, Dr. Naveen.
Thank you. Dr. Lalit, sir.
Good evening, Dr. Naveen. Murli, good evening. And it is actually, you can say it's a boon in disguise. Sometimes what happens is you find out opportunities in the adversities. So the COVID, because of COVID, this UA of ISFON has been built. I believe if COVID was not there, I don't think we would have come up to this level and think that we will be doing something like this. So thank you, COVID, for giving us this opportunity to come out with this UI. The way it has been conducted is meticulous. Everything went off so smooth, and the participation, the enthusiasm, the participation of the youth is fantastic. We have got so wonderful speakers in the youth. This is going to give a wonderful platform for them to come forward and an opportunity to come forward. I would also say that if they have done some proper studies in this summit, I will definitely give them an opportunity to print a few out of them in the journal.
Great, great. We can have a special supplement also.
Supplement, yes, we can plan something. We can definitely plan something. I have no commitment given, but yes, we can definitely plan to give them further platforms for this. So all the best to all the youth, the way they have come forward, the way Naveen and I am really thankful to Team Haryana and the team which has spent so many hours to organize this. It is a fantastic work done. Thank you so much. Wonderful. Long live ISA, long live ISA.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I'll invite other doctors also, but there are two persons who work with me at odd hours also. So I'll request Devansh, I call him my OSD, Officer on Special Duty, to say a few words. Devansh.
Great opportunity for us that we can organize and special thanks to Monica ma'am and they are always available for us and have given us whether there is any problem, rights problem and this number of services to be sorted out. They are always available for us and usually a normal office opens 9 to 5 but ISA office open till 24/7. So Sandeep came in office at 8 and worked till 3. And I used to come in the office at 5 until 9 after, and whenever you call Dr. Naveen sir, they are always, he's always available in office and he started doing work. So I usually, ISA office is open 24/7. So that's it. And last thing is, long live ISA, JUISA, JISA. Thank you.
Thank you, Devansh, and thank you, Sandeep. Actually, they are the backbones. They say only one thing: not to worry. So I say do this. They will just say not to worry. And though Dr. Aki always tell them, okay, you don't stay in the office more than 8:30, and so that sir can also come at home also on time. But still, they keep on working with me. Thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Devansh and Sandeep, for your support. I also place on record the work done by Dr. Amit Kohli, who was working day and night throughout this UISACON, Dr. Abhijit, Dr. Kamana, Dr. Aditi, Dr. Amit Rana, Dr. Neha, Dr. Sukriti, Dr. Atirti, Dr. Arun, Dr. Yagasmit Mohanty, Dr. Arun Kumar, and other, I may miss some names, but I also place all of them, their services and their contribution. See, I firmly believe that this is a team effort and all we are good just to guide you. This program was for Yuva, of Yuva and by Yuva. And so I think we are, Monica, our team at the back end is almost covered. Okay. And I special thanks to Mr. Gurmeet and Mr. Girish. Gurmeet, are you there? If you are there, please unmute yourself. You have been working with us day and night and adjusting to our schedule. A few words, Gurmeet, quickly from your side. He is our Man Friday. Gurmeet, please.
Yes, sir. I'd like to thank Dr. Naveen Malhotra and the organizing committee of UVA ISA for giving us the opportunity to manage and be a part of this first national virtual conference of UVA ISA. Myself and my team of meetings and put forward our best efforts to make this event successful. We hope that our efforts have been fruitful and all have enjoyed this unique and wonderful experience.
Thank you, Gurmeet. Thanks to Zia and Rashid and Mr. Girish also for the support. And finally, I must say that yes, end of anything should be marked by beginning of the next thing. So yes, we are going to interact very soon, probably same time next year or maybe earlier for the second annual national conference of UVA ISA, UVA ISACon 2021. And I request the President, sir, to please call the conference to a formal closure and then we rise for the national anthem. Dr. Mulder Joshi, into the honors.
Thank you one and all. Thank you all the team members who conducted the